Hi everyone. Good morning. I woke up earlier because I'm so sad and annoying every time when there's a rain, because this is my always scenario when there's a rain, because our floor is very wet. It's because of the hole, the mini hole in our roof. So let's join me guys to clean up. This is I don't know what I'm doing. This is not an important thing, but I want to take video to make content. So let's join. Even though I'm sad, I'm pana lang. I want to be smiling. Even I'm annoying very much. Because look at our floor. Wait. So this is the situation, guys. Oh my god. I will sleep it in the corner only. Yeah, in the corner. Because that side is there's no hole. There's no raindrop. Oh my god, maybe someday hopefully someday we will fix it someday. Just look. Yeah, that's this side. This 1, 2, 3 side is there's mini hole, because that steel is very old. So that there's a mini hole. So when it's raining, the raindrop falling down here in our floor, so that it's gone. But this is the time that I'm so angry and annoying, because it's very wet. So let's clean up this. I will put my husband pants using And also guys, this is my second problem. How can I dried up easier our clothes? Oh my god. every poor people can relate this one. Um, this is our uh, problem when it's raining for almost how many days. Then I don't have any underwear now because all of our is wet. Jar. It's a joke only. I have extra, but our clothes I have a lot of laundry if it's raining for almost how many days, because when I dried up here in the inside, I will hanging out here inside. It will be dry for almost how many days? I think it is 4 to 5 days before it dried up without sun. So that's why I hopefully that tomorrow the rain is gonna stop and there's sun again. Because my husband always go to work, so he need a lot of extra clothes, so I need to wash. But the problem is how to hanging up it in the rain. Oh my god. And right now I will washing our clothes even though it's raining, because I have a lot of laundry. So our problem now is how to dry it up easily. Oh my god. Good morning. Kopi ka? Ha? Kopi? Say hi. Where is your head? Head, nose, eyes. Wow, very good. Clap your hands. Clap. Yeah. Very good. And inom ka coffee? Clap your hands. Inom. Drink. Wow. Very good. Very good nun yun ng baby. Oy. Beautiful eyes. Shashi. Uy, ayaw pagsabli.